Hey everybody, Interim Dean Nick Pace here. I'm at the AAC Translation Lab, and Professor Kevin Pitt and students are going to show us some of the leading edge research that goes on inside. You can't believe it. Let's go.
With this project that we're looking at today, we're really interested in using brain signals to make selections from a computer. So basically enabling a child who can't speak, maybe they're locked inside their body because of a diagnosis such as cerebral palsy, to be able to make selections from a computer to allow that computer to speak for them. So today we're going to wear a cap that's going to read some of your brain signals, but ultimately your brain's going to respond and it's going to have some electrical firings, right? Because that's what your brain does. And that electrical activity is going to travel from your brain through the scalp, and ultimately it's going to get recorded by this little recording electrode here, which is then going to input into our computer, and we're going to use that signal to allow you to control the computer. So basically the brain signal that we're looking at here is a brain signal known as the P300. But ultimately the P300 is just related to your attention and that aha kind of moment. So in the context of the BCI right here, you're looking, and every time that book flashes red in your head, you're counting just silently in your head or making a noise, but basically you're just paying attention to every time that book highlights. Then this is what the EEG basically then looks like. So we're really interested in is this thing over here. The red line you're looking at is basically that P300. So that's the brain activity that was happening when you were looking at that specific target. The blue line is what your brain was doing while all the other things that were flashing on the screen that you didn't care about. So all those other items flashing.
Wow. Thanks, y'all. This was super cool.